Hey there, folks! Strap in for a wild ride on Planet Chuckle. I'm Jeremy, and with my sidekick Clyde, we're plunging headfirst into the crazy world of blockchain and Web3.
You betcha, Jeremy. We're kicking things off with a bang, diving into how KaliCertif is squashing those pesky counterfeiters and checking out Drift's rad gaming world. It's like a treasure hunt in the digital age.
And hold on, there's even more. We're slicing and dicing through the latest Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs. It's like watching crypto dance in the big leagues of finance.
Not just that, we're also taking a peek at how Web3 gaming's changing the rules with some really smart tokenomics. It's not just playtime, it's a whole new game.
So come on, everyone, park yourselves in front of your screens and join us on this epic tech adventure with loads of chuckles on Planet Chuckle. It's going to be a blast. Hey, have you heard? Solana Mobile's Saga phone sold out faster than hotcakes, kicking off a new, even more exciting chapter for them.
They're not just sitting back and relaxing though. Solana's setting their sights higher, aiming to grow their community big time. It's already buzzing like a beehive with all those NFT fans.
They're rolling out this founder window pre-order, where you drop a $450 deposit. They're hoping that'll cover the whole shebang, the phone, minus the extra fees.
But wait, there's more. They've got this Chapter 2 leaderboard thing. Connect your wallet, share your referral link, and bam, you could score some sweet rewards and giveaways.
It's all about community power here. The more you share, the higher you climb on that leaderboard. It's like a digital treasure hunt.
Big shout out to the community for getting Solana Mobile where they are today. They're all about pushing the envelope in mobile tech and inviting everyone to jump on board with their new Saga phone.
Heads up, devs and dApp enthusiasts. Blast just rolled out its testnet and kicked off the Big Bang competition. It's a massive chance for dApps to shine and grab some serious attention.
This ain't just any contest. They're throwing a whopping 50% of the Blast airdrop into the prize pool. That's a big cheese for developers looking to jump into the Blast universe.
Winners get more than just a pat on the back. They'll be front and center to over 100k users at the Blast mainnet launch. Talk about being in the spotlight.
And it's not just about the cash. Winners also get FaceTime with top investors and experts like Pacman. They'll dish out advice on everything from product development to snagging funds.
Blast is already buzzing with over 100,000 users and more than $1.3 billion in TVL. Developers, mark your calendars. Registration and project submissions are due by February 16th. Big news from Magic Eden. They're shaking things up in the NFT world by open sourcing their minting and trading protocols. They're teaming up with a shiny new non-fungible DAO to decentralize their platform and power up the NFT community.
But wait, there's more. They're launching their own crypto token, NFT, to give a high five to the NFT traders. If you're mingling in the Magic Eden ecosystem using their marketplace and protocols, you might just snag some of these tokens.
Tiffany Huang from Magic Eden says it's all about rewarding those who dive deep into their system. The deets on the token launch are still under wraps, but one thing's for sure, Magic Eden's users are in for a treat.
And let's not forget their Diamonds rewards program. It's getting a turbo boost across all 4 blockchains they're on: Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Polygon. It's like a treasure hunt for NFT fans.
The Diamonds program and the new NFT token, they're 2 tracks to trading rewards. Magic Eden's all about building a rewards paradise that keeps the community thriving. Big moves in the crypto world. We finally got a Bitcoin spot ETF, and now all eyes are on an Ether spot ETF. The word on the street is that it's not just likely, but pretty much a done deal.
Turns out the SEC's been playing hard to get with Bitcoin for over a decade. But thanks to some legal nudging by Grayscale, the game's changed. No more circus acts, just straight up business.
Commissioner Hester Pierce isn't mincing words about it either. She's calling out the SEC's past reluctance as, let's say, less than sensible.
And guess what? There are already 7 ETH ETF applications lined up. VanEck's first in line with a deadline in May 2024. It's like a race to the crypto finish line.
But hey, there's a twist. Ethereum's shift to proof of stake might make things a bit tricky for an ETH ETF, what with liquidity concerns and all that jazz.
Yeah, don't bet against it just yet. If Bitcoin can make it, so can Ethereum. And once it's in, it's not just about ETH. We're talking the whole crypto shebang getting the green light.
This isn't just a win for Ethereum. It's a giant leap for crypto, making room for all sorts of crypto-backed ETPs at the trad fee table. Heads up, folks! Scammers have swiped a whopping $580,000 in a crafty hacking spree using official Web3 company email addresses, including big names like Cointelegraph and Wallet Connect.
These cyber tricksters got into MailerLite's system and started firing off phishing emails with nasty links. ZachXBT, the crypto detective, found a multi-chain wallet stuffed with the stolen loot.
This wallet's loaded with 280 different crypto tokens, mostly Ether. We're talking about 227 ETH here, folks. That's some serious digital dough.
Wallet Connect's on high alert too, warning folks about a bogus airdrop link in their emails. And it's not just them users of DeFi and others are getting hit with fake Launchpad launch emails.
Hudson Rock, the cybersecurity big guns, think they've cracked part of this case. They found a CryptBot malware on a MailerLite employee's computer, which might have given these hackers the keys to the kingdom.
Even Cointelegraph's waiting for more intel from MailerLite. Looks like this phishing frenzies used some sophisticated wallet draining software. The same kind from that Ledger Connect kit attack last December.
So, a word to the wise. Be super careful with emails about surprise airdrops. Better safe than sorry in the wild world of Web3. Web3 gaming's got a new player in town. Drift! They're spicing things up with a studio token to tackle that tricky issue of in-game token isolation.
Here's the scoop. In Web3 games, tokens are usually stuck in their own game world. Kind of like being on an island with no bridge. Drift's flipping the script with their Drift token, giving it life outside the game.
Players aren't just playing for kicks, they're earning real crypto prizes. And get this, non-gamers can stake Drift tokens to get a slice of the game's revenue.
Drift's racing game, Payout Pursuit, is already in beta, where players can zoom around, set lap records, and win crypto. It's play to earn at its finest.
The brains behind Drift? A team loaded with GameFi and Web3 pros. CEO Josh Chan's all about quality gaming and sustainable models, not just Web3 flash.
They're also supporting up-and-comers with their Influences Ambassador program. And talk about hot demand, their Drift token pre-sales are selling out faster than concert tickets.
Drift's approach could be the game-changer Web3 gaming needs. It's all about making tokens work harder, both in and out of the game, for a sustainable, fun future. Alright, let's dive into how blockchain's fighting the fake game with KaliCertif. This platform's using blockchain to give documents and products like diplomas and artworks a legit stamp of approval.
Fake stuff's all over the place. Schools, businesses, you name it. But blockchain's like the superhero here, making sure everything's on the up and up with its super secure, unchangeable records.
It's not just talk. The EU's using blockchain for checking out credentials, and Nigeria's dishing out youth service certificates on it. Even the wine and spirits industry's in on the action to stop counterfeit booze.
KaliCertif's got this whole setup where you can make digital certificates that nobody can mess with. They're using NFC tech too, so if you're dealing with pricey products or art, you know it's the real deal.
This platform's a breeze to use and hooks right into your business processes. It's all about making sure that what you see is what you get, without any of the bad guys sneaking in fakes.
They're not just sticking to one thing either. KaliCertif's teaming up with industries all over the map, from shipping containers to university diplomas, showing how versatile and useful this blockchain tech really is.
Looking forward, KaliCertif's aiming to jump into more sectors like luxury goods and pharma. It's clear, blockchain's changing the game for verifying the real deal, making sure we can trust what we're seeing and using. Well, that's a wrap on this episode of Planet Chuckle. Just a reminder, the blockchain and crypto universe isn't just a bunch of digits and programming. It's also about the fun and unexpected moments we shared.
You got it, Jeremy. Thanks to all you cool cats for hanging with us on this zany journey through tech and gaming. Hit that like button, share the love, and smash subscribe for a ton more mind-blowing stories and non-stop giggles.
So, till next time, remember, we're your go-to spot for the freshest news and the latest laughs. Stay tuned for more on Planet Chuckle, where the fun never ends.